Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. Days passed by since this problem happened. The day after, I came to know that it was my aunties from my father's side who told my father about me and Abishek's relationship. Jour in passé, depi ça problème-là in arrivé. Ce lendemain, koné qui bane chachi be koté mo papa dia mo papa lo moi avec Abishek so relation. My situation at home was very difficult. My mother kept a grudge for me in her heart. Mo situation, lakaz, bien difficile. Mo maman, garde-moi dans un zoin dans ce leker. When I told Abishek all about this situation, he was also working day and night on that day. He was very tired. Comment dire Abishek lo sa situation là? Ici, les types travail, matin et soir, ça joue là. Les bien fatigué. Even though he reassured me, no matter what happens, he will not leave me. He will support me in each phase of my life. Quand même ça, l'in assure-moi, n'importe qui peut arriver, li pas pour quitte-moi, li pour supporte-moi dans chaque phrase de la vie. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.